In Adapt FCS, this is how you search for data. You can either hover over a column, or if you've clicked the column, the filter will appear. Let's say that I want to search for a cost greater than $10. I can click the cost filter, and I can choose greater than, and then I can type 10, and then apply. You can see all these costs are greater than $10. So now let's say I want to further narrow this down. I only want extension 1912. So I can click this, starts with 1912, or I could choose equal to if I want to be, or equals if I want to be more precise. So there, you see that I only have extension 1912 and cost greater than $10. If I want to search on a date, I get a range, a start date and an end date. I could search a specific date like 12/6/2023 by choosing both a start and an end date. I'm going to just choose a start date at this time. Let's see, 12/6/2023, or I can use the calendar here. And then apply, and then you can see that that's the only call that I see.